Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account tied to backup and sync. This ensures settings apply correctly. Once signed in, open the app from the system tray or menu bar so you can interact with preferences. Pause active syncs now to prevent partial uploads or conflicts. Doing this first saves time and avoids corrupted files. Make sure the app is responsive before continuing, because frozen instances can hide key options and stall the process. Once done pausing, go into Preferences and under My Computer uncheck every folder you no longer want synced. This stops future uploads from those paths. Next, disable photo and video upload options if they are on, so media stops flowing. After confirming folders are unchecked, choose Settings and select Disconnect Account to unlink the device. This severs the sync relationship. Make sure you read the prompts and confirm. Otherwise, the app may continue background transfers. You finish by quitting backup and sync, then uninstalling it through Control Panel or the Applications folder. Follow the normal OS prompts to remove files. After uninstall, restart your computer to clear temporary files and release any locked resources. Once restarted, verify no background Google services are running and confirm uploads have ceased. If uploads persist, check for multiple Google apps signed into the same account. Sometimes Drive for desktop or mobile clients re-enable syncing. Disconnect those as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.